Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's discuss today's about the hiring. Currently, software and application packaging system district administrator role. For this, MDocs is hiring, and the location is the Pune. Okay, and what all the requirements here? You can just go through this. Let me discuss like maintaining the global application catalog, ensuring applications remain secure, current, and compliant with organizational standards. Okay. Create automated workflows and script to streamline repetitive packaging and deployment activities. Okay. Developing and maintaining high quality technical documentation, including SOPs, packaging standards, deployment guidelines, and process documents. Okay, and using tools such as Systrack and Power BI to measure end user experience and proactively improve application performance. Providing third level support for application related issues across the organization. So this is the responsibility which you have to perform, and let's discuss what all the eligibility they are looking for. So, minimum 3 years of hands on experience in software packaging and deployment using SCCM and Intune, it must. Okay. A strong understanding of Active Directory, group policy, and enterprise network protocols, it's a advantage. Okay. And a strong knowledge of PowerShell app deployment toolkit, experience with Mac OS and application packaging, and excellent written and spoken English is must. So this is a very good opportunity those who are looking for this role, and those who are good fit for this opportunity, so please go and apply for this. Okay, next update is from here you can see Worish Go is actively hiring for the role of data science and machine learning intern. Okay, and it's a work from home, so it's a good opportunity. So let's discuss what all the roles and responsibilities. Mainly here you have to assist in data collection, cleaning, and pre-processing for machine learning models. Okay, and to collaborate with senior data scientists on model evaluation and validation, document findings, methodologies, and code, assist in the visualization of data and model results, and participate in team meetings and discussions. So these all are the roles and responsibility. You can also go through this. And those who are looking for the internship, this is a very good opportunity. And the last date is the 20th March. So please go and apply for this as soon as possible. Okay. Next update is from the Cornerstone, and it's also internship for the freshers. Location is the Mumbai. So here let's discuss what all the job overview, role and responsibilities, required skills, and the expected salary as well. So you can see like location will be the Mumbai, Maharashtra. Experienced freshers or students. Employment type will be internship, and batch eligible like 2024, 2025, and 2026 are eligible for this. What all the role and responsibilities here, like you have to manage end-to-end global employee life cycle process from onboarding to offboarding, and generate verification and offer letters tailored to country specific requirements. You have to process employee change requests accurately and efficiently, and maintain and organize employee folders for easy access and compliance. Okay. And validate and process ServiceNow requests, ensuring all details are complete within agreed SLS. So this is the responsibilities. Required skills here like a B or BTech, MCA degree from 2024 or 2026 basis. This is the requirement here. A strong attention to detail and good organizational skills. familiarity with HR processes and documentation, effective communication skills, both written and verbal, and proficiency in Microsoft Office suite like Excel, Word, PowerPoint. Okay, and basic knowledge of HR tools like ServiceNow is a plus point. And interest in HR operations, talent management, and workforce agility platforms. Expected salary like it's range up to 3 to 4 LPA for the similar fresher HR internship के लिए. Okay. So this is also a very good opportunity for the internship, those who are looking for the internship. So please go and apply for this as well. So that's all for today. If you like this video, so please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.